I'm going to show you how to start building your online brand so you can sell digital products using Canva, even if you are just starting out. This is part 5 of the series, and today we are focusing on creating a strong online presence that helps people recognize and trust your brand. And if you stay until the end, I'll also share how to access our totally free Canva crash course so you can keep learning more after this. First, let's talk about what you need to get started. You only need a name, a profile picture, and a banner if needed. These will be the foundation of your brand, and you can use them across all platforms. To begin, go to ChatGPT and ask it to generate a name for your digital product brand. This step is optional. If you want to use your own name, that is totally fine. Once you choose a name that feels right, ask ChatGPT to create a prompt for your logo and banner using that name. Next, open your browser and search for ImageFX. This is a free tool that lets you generate unlimited images. Just sign in with your Google account, paste your prompt, and make sure your logo is in a square format and your banner is in landscape. Once your images are ready, you can start creating social media accounts using the same name and visuals. Keeping everything consistent helps people remember your brand. One of the best platforms I recommend is Pinterest. It can drive a lot of traffic and sales when used correctly. So go and create your Pinterest account and complete your profile using your brand name and logo. You do not need a banner here, but you can use one on platforms like Facebook or YouTube. Next, click Create and select Pin. Upload the front cover of your digital product, add a title, and write a short description. You can include the price and 1 or 2 sentences about what the product is. Then paste your Amazon KDP link so people can buy directly. Now let's talk about search optimization. This part determines the profitability of your digital product, so go ahead and open Pinterest in another tab and in the search bar type in the kind of product you are selling, like bedtime stories for kids, Pinterest will show suggested searches. Take a screenshot of those and paste them into ChatGPT. Ask it to turn them into bullet points that you can use as tags. After that, click Add Product, paste your link again, and hit Publish. Once everything is set up, you can continue creating digital products and posting pins consistently. Over time, this helps you build traffic and sales. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other people who want to learn Canva in the easiest way. And as promised, if you want to access our totally free Canva crash course, just check out the pinned comment down below. In the next video, I will show you how to market your products even better so you can grow faster without guessing. Let us know in the comments if you have any suggested topics you want us to cover, and I'll see you on our next video.